Welcome to this tutorial on how to complete the DA66 form for food manufacturers. To access the DA66 form, visit our website on www.sars.gov.za/find-a-form. Then scroll down to access the DA66 application form. Download and open to complete the application form. Select Fill and Sign option at the top to be able to complete the application form. Start completing the application form from your computer. Section B1. Complete applicant's demographic details. Section B2. Select owner and input address of the manufacturing facility. Then, insert the refund user's code. Section B3. Summary of the amount claimed. Under Other, insert the amount of the refund claimed by the applicant. Please note, the amount under Other should be totaled in this block. Please note, Section B4 and Section C are not to be completed. Section B5. Mark with an X under Other to indicate the type of refund. Section B6. Indicate the documents used to support the claim that are attached to page 3. Section B7. Complete the declaration by the applicant, starting with the name, represented by, the capacity, and the date signed in place. To sign the application form, select the option, Sign Yourself, at the top, then select the signature that have been saved on your computer and place the signature in the signature field on the application form. Section B8. Give a summary of the grounds for your claim. Example: diesel used for electricity generation by the manufacturer of foodstuffs. Declaration must be completed by the natural person completing the application. Section B9. On-duty tax type, insert Schedule 1 Part 5B. Insert the allocation code as per the guides. Insert the amount of the refund claimed as per the front of the application. Insert the total amount under Other. And insert the total amounts for the claim. And that concludes the How to Complete the DA66 Form for Food Manufacturers tutorial. Thanks for watching. SARS, at your service.